Привет! Привет, ребята! Как дела? Хорошо? Какая погода у вас? У нас сегодня пасмурно, облачно, да? И мы очень этому рады, потому что жара надоела. Yeah? Today is cloudy, yeah, and I'm so happy. I'm so sick of the heat. Yeah. So, my plan for today, let's try to come up with the words in Russian. Begin with every single letter in the alphabet. Yeah. Let's try. So, the first of all, do you remember the first letter of the Cyrillic alphabet? Yeah, you remember. It's A. A. Yeah, A. Буква A. Letter A. Yeah, буква A. A. And what the word begins, starts, yeah, with the letter A. Arbuz. Arbuz. Yeah, what does it mean? Who knows? Arbuz. Watermelon. Yeah, watermelon. Arbuz. And the next letter, буква B. B. Yeah, B. You know B. You know this word. Ba. None. Banan. Yeah. V. 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 Sound V. V. What the word begins, starts with the letter V? Весна. 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 Yeah. What does it mean? Весна. Весна is a spring. Yeah, now it's spring. What season? Какое время года? Yeah? What season is now? Какое сейчас время года? Сейчас, now, yeah? Весна, spring. Весна. And the next letter, буква G. G, sound G, yeah? You know one word? You remember. Груша. 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 Yeah, pear. Груша. And the next letter, буква D. D. Yeah, D. D, sound D. D. Dom. Dom. This letter even looks like dome. Dome is a house. House, yeah? Dom. Dom. And the next, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and let's come up with еда. Еда. Food. Yeah? Еда. And the next letter, yo. 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 Do you know any words start with letter yo? Буква yo? Frankly speaking, in Russian language we have not so many words start with letter yo, буква yo. But we have some, for example, ёж. Ёж is a hedgehog. Yeah, hedgehog. Ёж. The next letter Z. Z, Z, sound Z. Z. For example, Zond. Zond. Zond is umbrella. Umbrella. Zond. Zond. Yeah. Next, E. E. Let's say июнь. Июнь. Июнь, because the next month after May, yeah, it's June. июнь. июнь. Good. And this letter I краткий. I краткий is also not easy to find a word begins with this letter because not so many of them in Russian language. And I know one, for example, yod. Yod. Yod is an iodine. Yeah, we need it for good health. Yeah, yod. And the next, k. One very simple word, kot. Kot means cat. Yeah, meow, cat. Kot. It's easy to remember. So sounds similar, I think. Cat, kot. The next, l. Let's write лето. Лето is summer. Summer, yeah. In a few weeks, it's gonna be summer. Yeah, we're happy. Лето. Лето, summer. Yeah, лето. Okay, let's turn off the music and carry on. The next letter is letter M, sound M. And the most important word in Russian language and in any language, mama, mother, yeah, or mom, mama, n, нет, no, yeah, нет. You should know these two words, да, yes, yeah, да, and no, нет. О. Окно. О. Sound O. Yeah, it's a bit confusing, yeah, because the sound of this letter O. But sometimes words begin with this letter sound like a, yeah, окно. We don't say окно, but we write this way, окно, but we pronounce окно. Okay, so p. Let's come up with a plastic. It's easy for you because plastic is the same plastic, yeah, plastic or plastic bag, yeah, plastic paket, yeah, see, it also begins with p sound, paket, plastic paket. R, your favorite, yeah, R. rice, yeah, rice, rice, yeah. S. Okay, let's continue. S, yeah. Семья, семья as a family, yeah. Семья. And the next t, tort. Oh, my favorite word, tort, cake. Yeah, tort, yummy. Tort, cake, tort. And the next ulica, for instance, yeah, ulica. This is a lowercase a, yeah, we can write like this, ulica, yeah. We will learn later uppercase, lowercase, how to write it. But for now, you should remember ulica because it's a street. If you want to go outside, you should say я иду на улицу. Then улица. F sound, yeah. It's a long word. Familia as a surname or last name, yeah, familia. Как тебя зовут? We say, yeah, you know this question. Как тебя зовут? What's your name? Меня зовут Женя. Какая у тебя фамилия, да? Какая твоя фамилия? Моя фамилия Федорова. Okay, familia, surname. Okay, the next or this is good word, хлеб, bread, yeah, хлеб. Я люблю хлеб, я люблю торт, я люблю есть. I love to eat. Yeah. Ц. For example, my bad writing. Цепь. Let's write again. Цепь. Chain. Yeah? Цепь. Час. Is a very important word for you. Час means an hour. Yeah, час. Ш. Шар. Yeah, шар. We can translate it as a balloon, yeah. Okay, not so many letters left, so let's finish. Sh. For example, щетка. Щетка is a brush. Щетка. And let's say экран. Экран is a screen, yeah. Экран, and two more. Let's write it here. Юла, например. Юла, it's yo-yo. Юла, yeah. Юла, kids love it. And yeah. You can say яблоко or simply I, yeah, me, yeah, or яблоко. яблоко, you know, яблоко, apple, yeah, an apple. And on purpose, I didn't mention 3 letters. Let's talk about them. So in this exercise, I didn't mention 3 letters. Remember, right? They are твердый знак и мягкий знак. Because твердый знак, hard sign, and soft sign, мягкий знак, we don't use for creating a sound. Yeah, no sound, so no words begin with these letters. These letters just divide the word into parts. But for example, we can find a word with a letter твердый знак. For example, въезд. Yeah, въезд is enter. Въезд. And with a мягкий знак. For example, we have a lot of words actually with this sign in the end of the word. For example, мать, ложь, грудь, you know, a lot of them. And some a bit complicated words where the sound divides the word. So I think it's too early to mention them in this video. And the letter u, yeah, also don't have words, but we can say выход. For example, выход. Выход is an exit. Yeah, выход. So, but it doesn't begin with the letter. Yeah, the letter is in the middle. Выход. Yeah. Okay, so it was not easy. Enough for today. Пока. Хорошего вам дня. Have a nice day.